Hey guys, welcome to this iOS setting guide, and here I'll detail how to turn off mirror effect on iPhone camera. So if you want to turn off mirror effect on your iPhone camera running on latest iOS 18, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off mirror effect on iPhone camera iOS 18, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on camera. So just scroll down and click on camera. Once you've selected camera, you want to scroll down the page until you get to composition. Then under composition, you have few features here. Locate mirror front camera, and then if this is turned on, go ahead and then disable that. So you need to disable this if you want to disable mirror front camera effect on your iPhone running on latest iOS 18. So that's all you need to do. And once that is done, you can now exit the page and then go ahead and open the camera application on your iPhone. Once opened, you discover that the camera mirror effect is no longer active. So that is basically how to turn off mirror effects on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.